You ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find
So I bought a new glass and a glass jar for specifically for the summer season from a local store. Sorry, I cannot give you any link because these are from a small local shop. You can get these anywhere you want. And yeah, I'm just washing it before using. I'm gonna keep cold water here because I don't keep my water inside the fridge. I just change it every day. I just keep fresh water in the morning and then I just put 2 3 ice cubes because I actually don't like very chilled cold water. I just want it to be a bit cool and it actually feels really good during the summer days. So that's it. This is the jar. I really love it a lot. Today's plan is a very simple breakfast and some coffee. Along with, I'm gonna show you how to make Bengali chicken curry. So it's a very simple recipe that I'm gonna show you. Before that, I'm gonna show you guys my garden. So this is the update. Here I have my tomato plant. Look how big it's growing every single day. I'm still waiting for my tomatoes, but I think I can see some improvement. Also, I planted few more like flowers and some coriander seeds, and I'm just waiting for them to grow. And here I have my green onion.
I was old, I was young, I was sitting in the sun. I was tired of the run, I was done. Life was great, life was hard, in a way an awful card. You can't win the losing hand. But the rain stopped falling and the line on the floor was crossed, and the pain I'd been feeling washed away to return another day. I was cold, I was bold, I had fragmented my soul into pieces, contradicting themselves. Perhaps it is, as it is, how the world is the mess, means that every heart and soul needs to be whole. And the road signs keep changing as the road stretches out ahead, and the mood keeps on changing. All I wanna do is lie down in bed.
Hi guys, happy Saturday. New vlog, and right now I am filming few videos. I have a lot to film. I am currently testing out these two sunscreens. One is this Dot & Key sunscreen and this one is the Neutrogena sheer sunscreen. I purchased this product from Nykaa and I don't know, I am really loving the Dot & Key one so far. This side I've used the Neutrogena one and this side I've used the Dot & Key one. It works really well. But I think the Neutrogena one is a little bit more hydrating, which is not my personal preference. Anyways, I also purchased this NARS Natural Matte Foundation, which I'm very excited to try. I'm first going to remove this sunscreen because I don't want the sunscreen to disturb the formula. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am very busy today because I have a lot to film. I was not able to film for I think 2-3 days, and it just makes me so unproductive when I do it. So I'm currently filming another video. It's actually a brand collaboration that I'm doing with Nivea. This is the Nivea Super Glow Body Lotion. It's very beautiful. So I'm working with them, and I just finished filming the reel. I have to do my nails, by the way. Look at the condition, like it's looking so bad right now. So I just booked my nail appointment, and I'm gonna go and do my nails. I think it's around 4 p.m.
Are you hearing my words I'm saying to you? 'Cause I'm looking in your eyes, you're looking past mine, but I'm just trying to break the cycle. Why are you staring at the door like I'm in the way? If you're leaving, that's fine, but don't forget your pride, 'cause I'm just trying to break this cycle. Are you? Are you? Are you? If you wanna go, I'll stay away. If you wanna go, I'll stay away. If you wanna go, I'll stay away. If you wanna go, I'll stay.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?